Ever wondered why your manifestations aren't coming to fruition? You might be making some common mistakes that are holding you back. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams and transform your life. However, many people find themselves struggling to see results despite their best efforts. The truth is, there are some common mistakes that can sabotage your manifestation journey. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 mistakes you're making in manifestation and provide practical solutions to overcome them. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and tools to manifest your desires more effectively. Mistake 1. Lack of clarity and intentions. Many people fail to manifest their desires because they aren't clear about what they truly want. Vague or conflicting intentions can confuse the universe and delay your manifestations. Clarity is the cornerstone of successful manifestation. If your intentions are fuzzy or contradictory, the energy you put out into the universe is equally muddled, making it difficult for your desires to materialize. Understanding the importance of clarity in your intentions serves as a blueprint for the universe to follow. Think of it like setting a destination on a GPS. Without a clear address, the GPS can't guide you to where you want to go. Similarly, without a clear, precise intention, the universe can't direct its energy to help you achieve your goals. When your desires are ambiguous, you might inadvertently attract mixed results or nothing at all. Before you can manifest effectively, it's crucial to identify your true desires. This involves introspection and self-discovery. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Why do I want this? How will achieving this goal make me feel? Understanding the underlying reasons for your desires can help you articulate them more clearly. It can also ensure that your goals align with your core values and true self, making them more powerful and easier to manifest. To avoid the mistake of unclear intentions, you need to be specific about your goals. Start by writing them down in detail. The process of writing helps to crystallize your thoughts and make your intentions more concrete. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," specify what success looks like for you. For example, "I want to earn $100,000 a year doing work I love." The more specific you are, the clearer your intention becomes, making it easier for the universe to respond. Visualization is another powerful tool to gain clarity. Spend time each day visualizing your goals as vividly as possible. Imagine every detail, how you will feel, what you will see, hear, and even smell. The more senses you engage in your visualization, the more real it becomes in your mind, and the stronger the signal you send out to the universe. To further enhance clarity in your manifestation practice, create a vision board filled with images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals, and place it where you can see it daily. This visual reminder helps keep your intentions clear and focused. Regular meditation and journaling can also help you connect with your inner desires and refine your goals, ensuring they align with your true self. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals can help you define your intentions clearly and track your progress effectively. Additionally, using positive affirmations that reinforce your specific goals can help cement these intentions in your subconscious mind. Periodically review and adjust your goals as needed, keeping your intentions up to date with your current aspirations. Mistake 2. Negative self-talk and doubt. Negative thoughts and self-doubt can significantly hinder your manifestation efforts. If you don't believe you deserve what you're asking for, it's unlikely to manifest. Your thoughts and beliefs create your reality. When you consistently engage in negative self-talk, you reinforce limiting beliefs that block your ability to manifest your desires. This self-doubt acts like a wall, preventing your intentions from reaching the universe in a clear and powerful way. It is essential to understand that every thought and word carries energy, and negative self-talk sends out a vibration that contradicts your desires. One of the most damaging effects of negative self-talk is that it undermines your self-worth. When you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough, you start to believe these statements. This internal dialogue creates a self-fulfilling prophecy where your actions and decisions are influenced by these limiting beliefs, making it almost impossible for you to achieve what you want. For example, if you're trying to manifest a new job but keep thinking you're not qualified, you'll likely miss opportunities and fail to perform well in interviews because your mindset is holding you back. To combat negative self-talk, it's crucial to practice positive affirmations daily. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you overcome negative thoughts and build self-belief. By repeating affirmations, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to support your goals. For instance, if you're trying to manifest financial abundance, use affirmations like, "I am worthy of financial success," or "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly." These affirmations should be stated in the present tense and repeated consistently to be effective. Over time, they will replace the negative thoughts that have been sabotaging your efforts. In addition to affirmations, actively challenge your negative thoughts whenever they arise. When you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," replace it with, "I am capable and deserving of success." This process of recognizing and replacing negative thoughts requires conscious effort and persistence. Consider keeping a journal to track your negative thoughts and the positive affirmations you use to counter them. This practice will help you become more aware of your thought patterns and reinforce your commitment to positive thinking. Over time, as you consistently challenge and replace negative self-talk, you'll notice a shift in your mindset, making it easier to manifest your desires. Mistake 3. Inconsistent practice. Consistency is key in manifestation. Sporadic efforts or giving up too soon can disrupt the energy flow and prevent your desires from manifesting. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing practice that requires dedication and persistence. When you approach manifestation with a hit or miss attitude, you send mixed signals to the universe. This inconsistency can lead to frustration and doubt, further hindering your ability to manifest your goals. Just like any other skill, manifestation requires regular and deliberate practice to build and maintain its effectiveness. One of the main reasons people struggle with consistency in their manifestation practice is because they expect immediate results. When results are not seen quickly, it's easy to become disheartened and give up. However, it's important to remember that the manifestation process operates on its own timeline, which might not align with your expectations. Patience and trust in the process are essential. Consistency helps to build a strong, energetic foundation that supports your desires. It allows your intentions to gain momentum and aligns your actions with the energy of what you want to attract. To establish a consistent manifestation practice, start by creating a daily routine that incorporates visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. Dedicate specific times each day to these practices, treating them as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Visualization helps you to see and feel your desires as if they have already manifested, which strengthens your belief and sends a powerful message to the universe. Affirmations reinforce positive thoughts and beliefs, while expressing gratitude helps you to stay in a high vibrational state, which is crucial for attracting your desires. Consistency in these practices ensures that your energy remains aligned with your goals, increasing the likelihood of manifestation. Maintaining a manifestation journal can also enhance consistency. Use the journal to document your daily practices, note any signs or synchronicities that occur, and track your progress over time. This habit not only keeps you accountable but also provides a tangible record of your journey, which can be incredibly motivating. Seeing your progress on paper can help you stay committed, especially during times when it feels like nothing is happening. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you consistently put out, so make sure it's positive and aligned with your desires. By making manifestation a regular part of your daily routine, you create a powerful and continuous flow of energy that supports the realization of your dreams. Mistake 4. Focusing on lack instead of abundance. When you focus on what you lack, you attract more lack into your life. This scarcity mindset can block the abundance you're trying to manifest. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. If your thoughts and feelings are centered around lack and scarcity, you will draw more of the same into your reality. This negative thought pattern not only affects your emotional well-being, but also impacts your ability to recognize opportunities for abundance that may be present in your life. The more you concentrate on what you don't have, the less likely you are to see the wealth of possibilities that surround you. The shift from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance begins with awareness. Recognizing when you are caught in a loop of negative thinking is crucial for breaking free from it. This awareness allows you to consciously redirect your focus toward the positive aspects of your life. It's easy to overlook the abundance that exists when you're fixated on what feels missing. By consciously choosing to acknowledge the good things in your life, you create space for more positive experiences to flow in. This mental shift is foundational for building a reality rich in opportunities and resources. To facilitate this shift, cultivating a mindset of gratitude and appreciation is essential. Gratitude is a powerful vibration that attracts more positive experiences into your life. Starting a daily gratitude practice can transform your outlook significantly. Make it a habit to write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. They can be simple, such as a warm cup of coffee, a supportive friend, or a beautiful sunset. This practice helps you to focus on what you have rather than what you lack, gradually reprogramming your mind to recognize abundance in your daily life. In addition to gratitude, using affirmations can reinforce an abundance mindset. Affirmations are powerful tools that help to create new belief systems. Phrases like, "I am grateful for the abundance in my life," or "I attract prosperity and abundance with ease," can help to shift your energy and focus. Repeating these affirmations regularly allows you to internalize a positive outlook, aligning your thoughts and feelings with the abundant reality you wish to create. By nurturing this mindset, you set the stage for attracting greater prosperity, joy, and fulfillment into your life, enabling you to manifest your desires more effectively. Mistake 5. Ignoring inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and visualizing. It also requires taking inspired action. Many people mistakenly believe that simply holding a positive thought or performing a visualization exercise is enough to bring their desires into reality. However, ignoring opportunities or failing to act on your intuition can significantly hinder your progress. While thoughts and beliefs are powerful, they must be accompanied by action to create tangible results. Without this crucial component, your manifestation efforts may remain stagnant, leaving you feeling frustrated and unfulfilled. The universe often provides guidance through intuitive nudges, urging you to take specific steps toward your goals. These nudges can come in various forms, such as a sudden inspiration, a strong feeling to reach out to someone, or an opportunity that unexpectedly arises. When you feel inspired to take action, it's essential to listen and respond. This responsiveness not only demonstrates your commitment to your desires, but also allows you to tap into the flow of abundance and opportunities around you. Recognizing and following these intuitive signals can lead you toward experiences that align with your manifestation goals, opening doors that you may not have seen otherwise. To effectively incorporate action into your manifestation practice, create a detailed action plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Break your larger goals down into manageable tasks, making them less daunting and more achievable. For instance, if your goal is to start a new business, your action plan might include researching your market, developing a business plan, or networking with potential partners. By committing to taking action each day, no matter how small, you reinforce your dedication to your dreams and maintain the momentum needed for manifestation. This methodical approach allows you to stay focused and proactive, ensuring that your actions align with your intentions. Remember, manifestation is a co-creative process between you and the universe. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions, you can bring your desires to fruition. It's essential to view action as an integral part of your manifestation journey rather than an afterthought. Each step you take not only propels you closer to your goals, but also signals to the universe that you are ready and willing to receive what you desire. Embrace the journey, trust in your intuition, and take inspired action to manifest the life you envision.